What's up, guys? A short update on price of Bitcoin. Well, as you can see, we have another chance to buy cheap. We basically have the correlation with the S&P 500 as usual, right? And drop in the stocks also associated with the news from President Trump, the war tariffs, tariffs wars. They are having another wave, and like Mexico, Canada, they probably will be starting from today new tariffs. So this is the plunge in S&P due to this news. Probably will break this support heavily, because again there's a lot of liquidity here, and it's tempting, very tempting after so many tests of this support zone. And also this is like a normal distribution and maybe like a double top, so the same as with Bitcoin, so probably aimed somewhere here. This is also the middle of the triangle, so again some drop is expected. If it happens, then we'll see the same with BTC, and again I would consider the end of this is like would be the last drop, somewhat between maybe 65 and 75, somewhere around here. I think maybe even higher, maybe we won't even go below this low. But in any case, it's very likely. Although the second scenario in terms of the probability is that we won't go lower than that, we'll still make maybe a little bit lower here and go up from here. The point is currently that we see this huge engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, because again this correlation with S&P. But this high, this is actually like a green surge to 95, happened again on the news on his tweet about the financial reserve, like not financial reserve, cryptocurrency reserve in the USA, and we'll got the surge in Cardano and XRP and everything, but that was pretty much in a vacuum because there is no liquidity here. We just swiped everything with this drop, and after that we didn't have enough support. We see just the reaction from the resistance. We didn't have enough support, and during this correlation with S&P we just dropped in vacuum to the same area from where we started to grow, and just continuing with the same correlation. So normally I would say this is the actual move here, not very critical in my opinion. And the most important part though is that we are printing a lower low on the daily time frame. I think we may actually go a little lower, something like there. So that would be a lower low, even like here. But the point is that the close value of this candle, or maybe in the next candle of tomorrow, will be somewhere lower than that area, right? And if it happens, and again the bottom part of the candle, the shadow will be maybe much lower, but the closing value will be something like that, and it will lead to the situation which is already happening. For the indicators, the low will be still higher. I'm sure it will be still higher for everything, RSI, stochastic, MACD, everything, Fisher transform, it will be still higher. And considering the fact that we have our weekly time frame with almost like a lowest possible in terms of the oscillation value, so it's completely oversold, and there's only one way from here, either sideways or two ways, okay, sideways or upwards. So I think that it's likely that soon we'll see the end of this horror, and with a bullish divergence of this triangle, of this lower lows in price and higher lows in all indicators, we'll get a nice end of this correction, and that will be from here like that. Probably within a month, something like it doesn't need to be like strong push from here. However, again, often happens that when we see the correlation with S&P, which is bearish, we may get some fast recovery. That is pretty much what I'm thinking. But if we look at the short-term price action, again, it's just basically impulse consolidation, impulse consolidation, impulse consolidation. There is no end so far, so probably we'll continue to do that. But again, I don't think that this is something massive in terms of the bear market, and wherever we go, here, even here, I will continue to buy. Personally, not financial advice, I'll continue to buy because I don't think that this is the end of Bitcoin. I think like eventually we'll get much higher, and the lower we go, the more likely we'll go like vertical from there. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll keep you updated tomorrow, another update, and let me know if you have any questions. Telegram, Twitter, comments down below, everything. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.